Now let me show you the routine maintenance for our electrostatic generator. It's actually simple. Just blow the dust off the outside with compressed air. Blow the outside first. There's also a cover inside you shouldn't skip. Open it and blow it out. Once the inside is clean, blow here too. After that, wrap a cloth on a long rod. Dip it in industrial alcohol and wipe the inside of the high voltage line back and forth. Once it's wiped clean, pull out these 3 high voltage cables. These 3 cables can also be pulled out. Pull them out and wipe them clean with industrial alcohol too. After wiping, blow them clean with the air gun. It's really just a matter of blowing off the dust.